Cooking the perfect steak on the grill requires selecting a good cut, proper seasoning, and precise temperature control for your desired doneness. Whether you prefer rare, medium, medium well, or well done, this guide will help you achieve steakhouse quality results at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need high-quality cuts like ribeye, New York strip, filet mignon, or T-bone, ideally 1 to 1.5 inches thick. For seasoning, we'll use kosher salt and black pepper, with optional garlic powder, rosemary, or thyme for extra flavor. Optional additions include butter, fresh herbs, or oil for basting, enhancing the richness of your steak. Essential tools include a grill, a reliable meat thermometer, tongs, a clean plate, and aluminum foil. Now, for preparation. Choose a well-marbled steak, USDA choice or prime for the best flavor. Aim for 1 to 1.5 inches thick to balance searing and cooking control effectively. If refrigerated, let the steak sit at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes for more even cooking. Next, pat the steak dry with paper towels to promote a beautiful browning crust. Season generously with kosher salt and black pepper on both sides just before grilling. Salting too early can draw out moisture. Optionally, add a pinch of garlic powder or dried herbs for an extra layer of flavor. Now, let's prep the grill. Preheat it to high heat, between 450 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit for direct searing. For charcoal grills, wait until the coals are covered with white ash, indicating they are ready. Set up a 2-zone grill, one side for direct high heat for searing, and the other for indirect low heat to finish cooking. Finally, clean and oil the grates to prevent sticking, ensuring a perfect release. Grilling instructions. Times and internal temperatures depend on steak thickness and your desired doneness. Always use a meat thermometer for accuracy, inserting it into the thickest part of the steak, away from bone or fat. For a 1-inch thick steak, rare doneness means an internal temperature of 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, with a grill time of about 4 to 5 minutes total. Sear for 2 to 2.5 minutes per side, then check the temperature and remove immediately to keep that cool, red center. For medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, with a total grill time of 5 to 6 minutes. Sear for 2.5 to 3 minutes per side, moving to indirect heat if needed to finish cooking. Medium doneness is 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, requiring 6 to 8 minutes total grill time. Sear 3 to 4 minutes per side, then move to indirect heat to reach the target temperature. For medium well, target 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, with 8 to 10 minutes of total grilling. Sear for 4 to 5 minutes per side, then finish on indirect heat until done. Well-done steaks are 160 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, taking 10 to 12 minutes total. Sear 3 to 4 minutes per side, then continue cooking on indirect heat until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit or more. Remember to remove and rest all steaks after grilling. Here are some essential tips for success. Always use a 2-zone grill. Sear over high heat, then move to indirect heat for gentle cooking. Don't skip the rest. Let steaks rest for 5 to 10 minutes under loose foil to redistribute juices, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Baste for flavor. During the last minute on indirect heat, brush with melted butter and fresh herbs for extra richness. Avoid flare-ups by trimming excess fat and keeping a spray bottle of water handy for charcoal grills. Check temperature early, as steaks continue to cook during resting, with carryover cooking raising the internal temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. The USDA recommends 145 degrees Fahrenheit for whole cuts of beef, but rare and medium rare are popular for optimal flavor. Always use fresh, high-quality steak and a reliable thermometer for the best and safest results. When serving, slice against the grain for maximum tenderness, especially for cuts like flank or skirt steak. Serve your perfectly grilled steak with sides like grilled vegetables, baked potatoes, or a fresh salad. Optionally, top with compound butter, chimichurri, or a drizzle of olive oil for an extra gourmet touch. This method ensures a flavorful, tender steak with a perfect char every time. Enjoy grilling your perfect steak.